Imagine getting a free engine replacement for your car, no strings attached. That's exactly what might happen to nearly 500,000 Nissan and Infiniti owners in the US. We're talking full engine swaps, all covered. So what's going on? Nissan just announced a massive recall tied to engine failure in specific models. Here's the breakdown of affected vehicles. 2021 to 2024, Nissan Rogue 2019 to 2020, Nissan Altima 2019 to 2022, Infiniti QX50 2022, Infiniti QX55. These cars use Nissan's 1.5-liter or 2.0-liter VC turbo engines, and that's where the trouble begins. Nissan believes that badly manufactured bearings in some of these turbo engines could lead to catastrophic engine failure, the kind that leaves you stranded with a blown motor. Rather than wait for that to happen, Nissan is proactively asking owners to bring their cars in for a quick inspection. Here's the plan. Dealers will drop the oil pan and inspect for metal shavings. If they find any, you get a brand new engine, no charge. If the oil pan is clean, they just top off your oil and send you on your way. For 1.5-liter engines, you'll also get a new sump gasket and engine software update. The 2.0-liter engines just get fresh oil. This is a big deal. 443,899 vehicles are potentially affected. But this kind of recall is also a chance for Nissan to fix things before they break, which is more than we can say for a lot of automakers lately. Plus, Nissan just dodged another huge bullet. A possible 2 million car recall for suspension problems was dropped by the NHTSA. So yeah, call this month a mixed bag. If you own one of these models, check your VIN. Talk to your dealer and get your inspection scheduled. Worst case, you drive away with peace of mind. Best case, you get a brand new engine free. Would you trust a free engine replacement from a recall like this? Or would you trade it in and walk away? Let us know in the comments.